You're looking at a before view of our old living room window, and it's on the left-hand side. It's got a old aluminum frame window, but on the right side you can see there's a piece of drywall that was placed in there long before we bought our house. We don't know why. It's a mystery, but anyway, all of this mess is coming out, and we're going to install a new flush fin or retrofit window in its place. Off to the right, you'll see old metal siding. We had to remove that around this window area. Now here is an underside shot of the sill, the old sill that is. I had to cut as much of this lip off as possible to get, to get the sill flush with the stucco. Here's an after shot. I used an angle grinder to cut this sill down. I didn't want to give too many details on how I actually replaced this window. Actually, there's better videos out there that explain better than I could. But I'll put some step-by-steps in the comments below. Anyway, here's an after shot. Here's the new retrofit flush fin window installed. Looking good. Obviously, the stucco is going to need paint, but we'll do that later. And I just wanted to show that, if you've got medium DIY skills, you can do this yourself and save hundreds of dollars in labor costs per window. Here's an interior shot. Nice view of our little RV there. But I wanted to show that I used maple hardwood for the casing and the interior portion of the window. You can see it around there. I'm going to open it, slide it over here. The interior woodwork was easily the most time-consuming portion of this project, but once we finished all that, we had a good-looking window and we had it situated nicely against our indoor mini-split unit.